Welcome back. Amidst India-China disengagement, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh sent across a strong message to China during his visit to Ladakh. Rajnath, while boosting the morale of our forces, has said that nobody can take away even 1 inch of our land. He also said talks are on with China, but we must remain alert, indicating that China cannot be trusted. The Defence Minister also said that the sacrifice of our Galwan braves will not be forgotten and reiterated that while India wanted peace, if anybody tried to enter our territory, there will be a befitting response given. Before interacting with our troops and sending out the strong message at the Lukung Forward Post near Pangong Lake, Defence Minister also visited Stakna Forward area, where there was an operational demonstration of our troops' might.
इस समय सीमा के विवाद को सुलझाने के लिए बातचीत का दौर चल रहा है। जो कुछ अब तक की प्रगति हुई है बातचीत की, मामला हल होना चाहिए। लेकिन कहां तक हल होगा, अभी इस संबंध में मैं पूरे कोई गारंटी नहीं दे सकता हूं। लेकिन मैं इतना यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूं कि भारत की 1 इंच जमीन को भी दुनिया की कोई ताकत छू नहीं सकती है, उस पर कब्जा नहीं कर सकती। लेकिन बातचीत के द्वारा यदि समाधान निकलता है तो इससे अच्छी बात और कोई दूसरी नहीं हो सकती है। वह सिलसिला चल रहा है, मिलिट्री लेवल पर भी बातचीत चल रही है, डिप्लोमेटिक बातचीत भी चल रही है। हम अशांति नहीं चाहते, हम शांति चाहते। हमारा चरित्र रहा है कि हमने दुनिया के किसी भी देश के स्वाभिमान पर चोट पहुंचाने की कभी कोशिश नहीं की। लेकिन यह भी मैं कह देना चाहता हूं 2 टूक शब्दों में, यदि कोई दुनिया की ताकत हमारे स्वाभिमान पर चोट पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेगी तो उसे किसी भी सूरत में हम बर्दाश्त नहीं करेंगे, उसका हम मुंहतोड़ जवाब देने के लिए भी तैयार रहेंगे। हमारा भारत यह कमजोर भारत नहीं है, भारत का एक सशक्त नेतृत्व है। नरेंद्र मोदी जैसा प्रधानमंत्री हमको मिला है, फैसला लेने वाला प्रधानमंत्री, दृढ़ इच्छा शक्ति का प्रधानमंत्री। हमारे स्वाभिमान पर कोई चोट नहीं पहुंचा सकता। राष्ट्रीय स्वाभिमान यह हमारी पूंजी है।
Abhishek Ballaz joining us from Leh for all the very latest on this. Abhishek, a strong message going on there from Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to China, and of course it's the speech was also in a way a morale booster for our forces as well.
Definitely, and that was the idea, to boost the morale of the troops on the ground. But the big takeaway was, Chaiti, in that address, that, the Raksha Mantri said that while talks are going on, India wants peace and he's hopeful of a resolution. But at the same time, there's no guarantee of what the outcome of these talks will be. And there is context to what he said. And that context is that while the disengagement discussions are on, things haven't really transpired on the ground as they were discussed in those military dialogues. And as far as Pangong Tso is concerned, and it's also significant that the Defence Minister was not too far away from where the confrontations have taken place in the last 2 months. He was about 40 kilometers away from the Finger 4 area. And other than Pangong Lake, even the hot springs hasn't really, translated into a de-escalation, because in these 2 places, the disengagement as was planned hasn't taken place. Troops still are in close proximity to each other, even though in Pangong Tso,
yes,
we believe that there has been a slight pullback by both sides.
Yes.
But still the Chinese have shown enough reluctance to move back to Finger 8.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Abhishek, for joining us with that story. We're getting some breaking news coming in. Let's go straight across to it.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.